Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef and the owner of a boutique bakery. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a banana rum cake. This cake has a pillowy soft center and a nice crunchy top. The bananas add a natural sweetness to it, and the rum pairs perfectly with the bananas. So, let's get started making the cake. So I start out by combining all of my dry ingredients together. I have 180 grams of all-purpose flour here, or 1.5 cups, and I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Just mix these together so they're evenly distributed, and set this aside. In my mixing bowl, I have 114 grams of softened, unsalted butter. That's also 6 ounces. And I'm going to add to that 170 grams of granulated sugar, or 2/3 of a cup. And then with my mixer, I'm going to start mixing this until it's light and fluffy. It'll take about 2 minutes. So my butter is nice and fluffy and pale. So next I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of a dark rum and 3 room temperature eggs. These need to be at room temperature, else your butter and sugar mixture may curdle. And then just mix that. And that's it. Now add in 1 ripe smashed banana. And then mix that again until it's well incorporated. Now take the dry ingredients that I mixed together earlier and stir those in. So I've stirred my cake batter until all the dry ingredients are moistened. I've prepared an 8-inch pan by greasing it lightly and adding some parchment paper to the bottom. So I'm going to pour half of my cake batter into the pan and smooth it out using an offset spatula. Next, I've sliced up 2 bananas, fairly thick, and I'm going to apply an even layer of the banana slices. And next, pour the remainder of your cake batter into the pan. And again, smooth evenly using an offset spatula. And finally, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the top of the cake. This is going to create a nice crunchy caramelized layer. Now we're going to bake the cake at 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes. The top will be a nice golden color, and a toothpick inserted into the center will come out clean. So as you can see, this is a simple cake to make. It's perfectly delicious on its own, but I'm going to show you a few options for adding some more flavor to the top of the cake. Flavors: drizzle with peanut butter sauce and torta banana for the top. Drizzle with chocolate ganache. Add some caramel and some walnuts, or very simply sprinkle with some powdered sugar. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. If you'd like a printable recipe of the cake, just click on one of the links below. Thank you for joining me today, and have a great day.